Is your Hello Baby monitor not turning on? Don't panic. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. Let's walk through the fastest way to diagnose and solve the problem. Start with the basics. First, make sure the power adapter is firmly connected to both the monitor and the wall outlet. Loose connections are the number one cause of power issues. Next, inspect the charging cable for frayed wires, bent tips, or visible damage. Even small cable damage can stop power delivery. Now test the outlet by plugging in another device. If the outlet works, move on to the monitor itself. If your Hello Baby monitor uses a battery, remove it and reinsert it to refresh the internal contacts. Watch the indicator light. A blinking red light usually means low battery or a charging issue, while a solid red light means it's charging normally. If it still won't turn on, clean the charging port gently to remove dust or lint. Then perform a power reset. Unplug the monitor, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. For battery models, keep the charger connected and hold the power button for 20 seconds to force a deeper reset. If the monitor still won't power on or won't hold a charge, the internal battery may be failing. As a last step, try a factory reset using the small reset pinhole. If none of these steps work, contact Hello Baby support for model-specific help or replacement options.